Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chicken broccoli pasta, a creamy, comforting global favorite that brings together juicy chicken, tender broccoli, mushrooms, and perfectly cooked pasta in a rich, cheesy white sauce. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for creamy chicken broccoli pasta. This recipe is all about balance, soft and creamy textures, mild herbs, and cheese to create a smooth, flavor-packed sauce that coats every bite of pasta beautifully. So let's get cooking now and prepare this global favorite, delicious creamy chicken broccoli pasta. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 500 grams or half kg of boneless chicken leg pieces. We have cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt. Turn the chicken pieces around so that the salt is applied to all the pieces. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything nicely. Marinated chicken is ready. Cover and keep it aside to marinate for at least an hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 500 grams of fusilli pasta, but you can also use penne or macaroni for this recipe. We have taken 200 grams of cremini mushrooms, but you can also use white button mushrooms. Wash and clean the mushrooms properly. Slice the mushrooms the way I have shown. Similarly, slice the remaining mushrooms. Mushrooms are ready for the pasta. We have taken one whole broccoli weighing 300 grams. Cut the thick stem of the broccoli. Now remove the small leaves and discard them. Also cut and discard the hard parts of the stem which are on the sides. Once done, cut the stem into smaller pieces.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Now take the broccoli and cut it into medium-sized florets the way I have shown. Wash the broccoli florets thoroughly and drain all the water. Take one medium-sized onion. Cut it very fine. 15 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. 1/3 cup of parsley. Cut it very fine. 200 ml of fresh cream. 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese. Instead of grated cheese, you can also use cheese cubes or cheese slices. 2 cups or 500 ml of pre-boiled milk. 1.5 cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can always add 1 tablespoon of chicken aromat powder or chicken stock cubes in 1.5 cup or 375 ml of warm water. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. You will also need 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or you can use regular cooking oil. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or regular cooking oil. Step 3. Boiling the broccoli and pasta. On medium-high heat, boil the water in a pan. This water will be used to boil the broccoli and then the pasta. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Once the water is boiling hot, add only the broccoli stems, since they are harder and will take a longer time to cook. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the broccoli florets. Let them boil for around 2 minutes. Once done, remove the boiled broccoli florets and stems and keep them aside. Our boiled broccoli is ready. In the same boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. This will prevent the pasta from sticking to each other. Now add the pasta. Boil the pasta for around 8 minutes or until they are al dente, basically firm enough to bite and should not break easily. Stir the pasta gently to prevent it from breaking. Make sure not to overcook it. Check if the pasta is cooked. Once the pasta is ready, strain the pasta and rinse it with cold water to avoid it from cooking further. Then drizzle a little olive oil on it to prevent it from sticking to each other. Boiled pasta is ready. Step 4. Preparing the creamy chicken broccoli pasta. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir it nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onion turns translucent, add the finely cut garlic. Stir everything nicely. After around 3 minutes, add the marinated chicken. Mix everything nicely and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir everything properly. Then cover and cook the chicken for around 10 minutes, checking and stirring in between to prevent anything from sticking to the pan. After 10 minutes, open and stir everything properly. Now cook the chicken with the lid open for 6 minutes. After around 6 minutes, remove the chicken pieces out and keep them aside. Let the butter and oil remain in the pan. Also add the butter and oil back to the pan that came out along with the chicken pieces. Now add the cut mushrooms. Stir them nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Cook the mushrooms for around 3 minutes. After around 3 minutes, add the all-purpose flour or maida. Stir everything properly for around a minute or 2. Then add the pre-boiled milk. Also add the mixed herbs. Add the black pepper powder. Stir everything nicely. Then add the cheese. Mix everything nicely. After around a minute, add the chicken stock. If you want to learn how to make homemade chicken stock, the link is provided in the description box below, or simply comment chicken stock and we will send you the link. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add the chicken pieces. Mix everything nicely and let the sauce thicken slightly for 2 minutes. Check for salt and add if required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Now add the boiled broccoli florets along with the stems. After around a minute, reduce the heat to low and then add the fresh cream. After around a minute, add the finely cut parsley. Mix everything properly. The sauce will start to thicken. Add the boiled pasta. Gently mix everything together making sure not to break the pasta while stirring. Cook the pasta for around 2 to 3 minutes so that the sauce can thicken and line the pasta nicely. Once done, put off the heat. Delicious creamy chicken broccoli pasta is ready. Enjoy this creamy chicken broccoli pasta hot with your loved ones and do let us know how it turned out. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.